Welcome to Sparks Toyota.
Here we have a 2019 Toyota Avalon Limited. It has a clean one-owner Carfax and comes with power heated mirrors with signals, chrome trim, lightly tinted glass, and much more. 18-inch super chrome alloy wheels, all-season tires, speed-sensitive rain-detecting wipers, fully automatic headlamps with delay off, and a strong six-cylinder with only 6,611 miles. The quasi-dual exhaust, large LED brake lights, the shark fin antenna, a very spacious cargo area, and a comfortable heated back seat with cup holders. We can't forget about the power sunroof, the front row power heated and cooled leather seating, a push button start, a garage opener, distance pacing, a heads up display, a tracking system, a power heated leather steering wheel with convenience controls, the multimedia and navigation touchscreen with Bluetooth, voice recognition and Apple CarPlay, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze.
Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.